it seems as though I haven't been recording this whole time. Anyway, we are on Narrows Reservoir, or the Narrows of the Yadkin. Just in case we didn't get that earlier, this is a very small reservoir. As you can see in the distance, there's one dam. And it's a fairly narrow river, only about maybe 3 miles long. But can be very productive fishing. Being small like it is, you don't see very many, per se, power boats out here. More than anything, it's a lot of kayakers and canoe people, you know. Very good lake. That's usually pretty tame. You see the occasional power boat every now and again. Being small like it is, a lot of people don't like to fish this reservoir. It is nestled between, on that side of the dam, and the dam at the upper end is separated from Baden Lake. And like I say, it's very small. It's not a huge reservoir, but it is very productive at certain times of the year. There are chain pickerel, largemouth bass, all kinds of game fish. There are bluegill, white and black crappie, sunfish, all of that stuff, sorts. And a few versions, you know, excuse me, a couple of species of catfish, including flathead, blues, and regular channel. And there is the official mudfish here and there. I have seen one or two of those come out of here. Also known as a bowfin or grindle. They go by many other names, but generally around here those are the names that you will hear. While the video was not going, I did hang into one very nice largemouth bass on, of all things, a crappie jig. Hooking and landing is two different things though, so I wouldn't really count it as caught. I got him up close enough to the kayak to be able to see him. Had a little bite there. Now the wind is shifting, which is one of the wonderful things about kayak fishing. You can let the currents and the wind wind help you or hurt you, it seems as though. My initial plan was to pedal upstream and drift down. Well, it seems as though the wind is helping me upstream. This is in fact the first time in probably close to 2 years since I've had this kayak out. It is a Jackson Coosa FD. It's actually the fourth one of the kayaks that I've bought in the past few years. I got a wild hair about 4 years ago to try kayak fishing, and I started out cheap enough. My first kayak was a extremely inexpensive 10-foot kayak. I figured might as well stay inexpensive till we figure out if I'm gonna like it or not. So, and I did. There we go, now we're on something. I don't know what, but probably a catfish. Way he's pulling, I'd say if catfish. Yep, big channel. Well, not big, but blue cat. Good God, that's a fat little monster. Well, did I get anything on video? Yeah, not a bad one. Let's see here. Keep messing around, she's gonna flip her tail and drop that hook right in my hand. Let's see what we got here. $19. Not bad. Not bad. Not so bad. Finally put a fish in the boat. Well, seems as though y'all missed all the excitement. We had a rain shower on us while we were fishing along. We've gotten no more fish, but we took shelter underneath that poplar tree right there, and there's a water oak with it, and they kept me pretty dry for a while till it passed. Luckily, it wasn't a all-out torrential rain, so that was a plus. For a while, I was beginning to think that I was the only person on the lake. And these people just came by, two kayakers and a some kind of small boat with a electric motor. There he is. Well, look at there. Little sunfish. I knew I'd felt them pecking down there, but there he is. Yep, he's on there. There's one. Get this one up and out of the way. Probably a little one, but hey. Well, maybe not. Maybe not too little. Huh. Well, look at there. Big old crappie. Oh. That's a pretty good size one there. "12" Get on back down there. There he is. What do we got? Ooh! What do we have here? Another cat, maybe? Possibly. Towing the boat around. Yep. Oh, this is not exactly what I had in mind for the last fish, but hey. I am not knocking it. Whoa! Look at this fine fella. Ah, looky there! Whew, just in the nick of time, too. He straightened the hook out. My gosh. Yeah, that was just in the nick of time because he just straightened the hook out. Oh, come here. And I believe he is longer than my measuring board. He sure is. He hangs off of both ends of it. 23, 4, about 25 inches. That's a nice cat right there. Definitely a nice one. Ugh. And fat. Good gosh. That's a nice one right there for sure. Okay, let's get him back in the water. Alright. Get on out of here. Go make some babies. And look at that hook. That's how close we were to losing him. Wow. That hook was never designed to catch catfish on. And on that, I think I'm going to call it a day.